Uh-oh. Oh! Grill fell out. Oh! Down! Supposed to go in reverse, man. Golly. Where are you going, man? Just moving this shit out of the way. Yo, he scared him. What are you doing, man? Holy shit. Some bitch is unhooking the brake, about to do a donut. Damn. Dude, you just took that 230 Massey to the fucking demolition derby.
Yeah, come see us March the 17th, Blank County Fair.
That ain't the day it is.
It's May the 17th.
Damn, bro. Oh, God. We're gonna flip the bus. He's got it loaded down with people, too. Gotta hit it again, man. Oh, man, you gotta hit it again. You're gonna have to go up the hill there. Hell yeah. Parked on the hill now, boy. Golly, man. You're going crazy, man. Gotta put it in gear. Was it?
Yeah, it's real tight.
Where'd he get tied at?
Well, between the Jeep and the lawnmower and that pipe. Didn't hit the pipe, didn't hit the Jeep.
Oh hell. Is that all that happened?
So it went.
Did you like it?
Yeah. Probably gonna go down there and try to get me a bus driving job.
Golly. Burning it down. Damn, it's hot. Phew. Back up a little bit. What's going on, Boone? What's going on, Boone? Got the big jug, didn't you, brother?
That's a damn idiot.
Damn, brother. Got the big jug, didn't you?
Yeah, man.
Taking a ride in the bus. Golly. Going on, Big John? I used to be a bus driver for about 30 years back when I was young. Damn. What you think, bud?
Damn seat.
Should have left one in here, man. Oh yeah, you feel that power? Yeah, that thing got that power on it. Nah, Renus ain't over here. Thought Renus was gonna be over here fishing, but he ain't. Man, Big John. Leave. Yeah, park up here. Park up here. Oh, where's Boone?
Crazy.
Ah! Ah!
I'm going in the first next time.
Alright, dude. It looks like, oh, crank it back up. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Golly, don't. Damn. Dude, I can't draw.
Back in the Zach's truck.
Yeah, this is Big John. Big John body. Got more head than he got body. That's Big John Dobby. Got more head than he got body.